I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice using pressure cooker, only way. Rinse rice under cold water until water runs clear, drain well, then add rice and measured water using a 1:25 ratio. Add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of oil, secure the lid, set to high pressure for 4 minutes, then allow a natural pressure release for 10 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Start by measuring rice and water precisely, using the 1:25 ratio for most white rice. Use a fine mesh sieve to rinse rice until water runs clear to remove excess starch. Drain thoroughly, then let rice rest for 5 minutes before cooking to improve texture. It only takes a few extra minutes and the payoff is perfectly separate, fluffy grains every time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more quick kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It pairs surprisingly well with budgeting for groceries and meal planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Place the rinsed rice and measured water into the pressure cooker, give it a gentle stir to distribute, and lock the lid securely. Set pressure to high and start timing once full pressure is reached. For white rice, cook 4 minutes. For brown rice, cook 22 minutes. After cooking, allow a natural release for the recommended time before opening, then fluff with a fork and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.